Correct. So there will be 60 points. Woohoo! Yeah, we're coming big tomorrow. Coordinate geometry proof, and then again, the other one will be, I will give you, it's one of the quadrilaterals, and you have to do prove triangles congruent, prove a pair of angles congruent, prove a pair of sides congruent. All right. Some of the interior and exterior angles of a polygon. Wow. That's going back to the first day of this unit, everybody. That's the first day of this unit. Some of the interiors, 180 times n minus 2. Every exterior angle, all the exterior angles always up to 360, adds up to 360. No matter the form, no matter the figure. Any questions so far? What else is going to be on here? Oh boy. Oh boy, this is the best. Kids are just going to start freaking out. Remember on the first two quizzes, I had you factor, right? All right, well, on this one, I'm going to have you solve a system of equations. Whoo, good thing I'm telling you now because we're going to practice one in a second. Remember last year solving two equations at the same time? Here's what I mean. Here's what I mean. So say you set up two equations. One's 3y minus 2x equals 11, and the other's y equals 9 minus 2x. How do you solve those at the same time? I told you the answers already, but how do you solve those? Because you're going to set them up tomorrow, and you're going to be like, you're going to have two equations with an x and a y in them. How do I solve them? Go ahead, Nate. What do you think? Ella? A little thing we like to call substitution. Okay, so what you can do right now, and I'm not going to do the full thing here, but take 9 minus 2x and into the other equation, substitute it in for y. So when you rewrite it, what's it look like? 3 times 9 minus 2x minus 2x equals 11. Now you solve for x. How do you get the y value then after you're done? I got the value of x. I'll get 2 probably. How do I find the y value? Either one. I can take it, plug the x in here, or plug the x in here and solve for y. All right? And then like I've been telling you guys, bottom line, know your quadrilateral properties. You guys have that whole flow chart in your packet that you can refer to. And then there will be a question where I'm going to ask simplest radical form. That was on quiz 2 I just passed back. All right, with the kite problem. I am going to ask for simplest radical form. Questions from you guys? Here's what we'll do real quick, and then I'll have the rest of the time for yourself. I'll pick 2 people. You just pick any random number from 1 to 27. And then we'll do that problem. All right, so completely random here. We'll see what problem you pick. If you think a problem looks tough. Okay, let's do it. Who's got 3? Anyone? What one? Problem number 4, everybody. Let's go. Problem number 4 on the review. Oh, nice, nice. Haven't done this in a while. Okay, what's the sum of the interior angles of a dodecagon? Better know our dodecagon. How many sides are we talking about? Anybody remember? 12 sides. Yep, 12 sides. Sum of the interior angles. What's the formula I'm going to need? 180 times n minus 2, where n is what? 12, the number of sides. Yep. So 180 times 12 minus 2. 180 times 10. What are we looking at? 1800. Add a 0 on there. Nice. This is a fun little game, huh? Keeping everyone on their toes. Here we go. Or not. Nice. It's perfect. Always works out for me. This is good. It's a fun game. Oh, good. Bless you. Okay. You know what I'll do? Rose pick question 4, so we'll just go, who's got number 4? 18? Okay, yeah, I have next period for you, so. 18, Skylar? Yeah. What are you giving me here? Oh, nice. Parallelogram. All right, what do I got? Angle R, 2x plus 19. Angle G, 4x minus 17. What's angle T? All right. What do we know about these two angles here they gave us? It's a parallelogram. What do we know? Opposite angles are congruent. All right, so 2x minus 19 is going to be equal to 4x minus 17. Calm it down, Nate. I got it under control. So what are we looking at? 2x equals 36. X equals 18. How are we doing here? We look all right? Okay. Okay, I have to get to angle T, though. So what do you want to do with X? Plug it back in? Which one do you want to plug it back in for, R or G? Angle. Skylar, it's your problem. Which one do you want to plug it in for? Angle R or angle G? Angle G, you got it. So angle G is going to be 18 times 4 minus 17. What do we have for angle G then? 2, carry the 3. $55? Anybody? 55? No calculator needed. This guy's unbelievable. And I tried to soak you right in there. Look, 55 is the choice, but that's angle G and angle R. We're looking for angle T. So what do I need to do to find angle T now? Do I have to do all that? This kid's saying multiply by 2, subtract from 360. I don't want to do all that work. Maya, what do you know about consecutive angles? Supplementary, right? So I can just say 180 minus 55. And I'll end up with 125. Good. Keep going here, or you want to just do it on your own? This is too fun here. Here we go. Who's got 18? Let's go. 1 through 27. Go. 13. Ooh, all right. All right. Kid's doing a little parallelogram. Looks like a trapezoid. Let's find out what's going on here. Okay, yep, extended AB equals CE. What is angle DCE? Okay, let's stop right here. You know how fired up I get about this now. Can we locate DCE? Please. Everyone see where DCE is. Follow the letters, DCE. We're looking for this angle right here. And it tells us ABCD is a parallelogram. All right, how are we getting there? Any other angles you want to fill in for me? Other angles I know already. Nate, go. Angle, which is 125. Opposite angles in a parallelogram are congruent. Let's keep going. Need some more help. Working our way to DCE, though. What other angle do you know? Got a lot of different ways here. What other angle? Go ahead, man. Okay, so here's what we're thinking here. Because it's a parallelogram, opposite sides congruent, so AB is congruent to CD. And if AB is congruent to CE, substitution says those two sides, which means it's what type of triangle? Isosceles. Across from the congruent sides are congruent angles. All right, can we figure out what both angles are? What's the relationship between these two? Linear pairs are supplementary, so this should be 55. This also should be 55, and look at it. 55 is a multiple choice. I wanted to suck you right in. All right, how do I find angle DCE then? Take 180 and subtract the two 55s. And we end up with 70 degrees. Yep. Who's got 13? 17. Jared, have that pre-plan? Good talk. Wow, there's a lot of reading here, huh? Parallelogram. Oh, stopped working. Try this again. Go ahead. You can try to set it out. We're having some technical difficulties here. The degree measure of t exceeds 2 times the degree measure of h by 30. Okay, I have no idea what h is, so I'm going to call it x. What are you guys putting for angle t then? Exceeds 2 times the degree measure of h by 30. Go ahead, Frank. 2x plus 30, yep. And what are we looking for? What is the degree measure of the largest angle? Okay, well, what do we know about these two guys? They are supplementary, they're consecutive, so x plus 2x plus 30 equals that 180 degrees. 3x equals 150, x equals 50. Is that the largest angle, though? Nope. Largest angle would be what's supplementary to 50? Buck 30. So that would be the largest angle in that parallelogram. Hopefully you're noticing the last couple you need to read carefully here, all right? Because you found x, and that's also a multiple choice, but that's not what I needed. All right, I'll let you guys go on your own. We're good. That was fun. Wherever you need to go, try a proof out while you're here. All right. Did I put They're only statement reasons proof. There are no coordinate proofs to practice. So just keep that in mind. If you need to look back, we've done a ton of them.